Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're practicing 99 rhyming phrases. Listen first, then repeat. Let's begin. Time and schedules. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Time to go, let's start the show. Don't be late, meet me at 8. Make it quick, time will tick. Take your time, you'll be fine. Right on time, life's sublime. No delay, seize the day. Feelings and emotions. No need to cry, just say goodbye. Feeling blue, I'm here for you. Don't be sad, things aren't that bad. Smile and laugh, walk down the path. Feel the love from up above. Stay positive, let's make this work and live. Happy heart from the start. Joy and cheer all year. Actions and movement. Walk and talk, don't just sit like a rock. Run for fun under the sun. Jump and play every single day. Dance with grace, keep up the pace. Move your feet to the beat. Take a seat, rest your feet. Climb so high, touch the sky. Stretch and bend around the bend. Food and eating. Breakfast time, everything's fine. Tea or coffee, anything but toffee. Bread and butter, nothing could be better. Fish and chips from ships. Rice is nice twice. Soup for lunch, eat a bunch. Dinner plate, don't be late. Sweet dessert doesn't hurt. Weather talk. Rain or shine, I'll be fine. Snow will go, spring will show. Sunny day, come out and play. Windy night, hold on tight. Cold and bold, stories told. Hot weather, stick together. Cloudy skies, no surprise. Storm will pass, green the grass. Motivation and encouragement. Never stop, reach the top. Try your best, forget the rest. Do your part with all your heart. Work hard, play hard, be your own guard. Stand tall through it all. Be strong, nothing's wrong. Keep the faith, it's not too late. Rise and shine, you'll be fine. Daily life. Wake and bake, stay awake. Wash your face, start the race. Clean and bright, morning light. Dress for success, nothing less. Make your bed, clear your head. Lock the door, nothing more. Check the time, you're in your prime. Brush your teeth, stay beneath. Home sweet home. Cozy place, happy face. Four walls, family calls. Roof above, filled with love. Garden green, nicest scene. Keys in hand, life is grand. Close the gate before it's late. Safe and sound, homeward bound. Welcome, Matt, that's where it's at. Wisdom and advice. Think before you speak, wisdom you seek. Look before you leap, secrets to keep. Better safe than sorry, no need to worry. Slow and steady wins the race every day. Practice makes perfect, that's a fact. Early bird gets the worm, it's confirmed. Where there's a will, there's a way every single day. Actions speak louder than words like flying birds. Friendship and relationships. Friends forever, never say never. Side by side, enjoy the ride. Together we stand hand in hand. Share and care everywhere. Best friends are true to the end. Love and trust, it's a must. Through thick and thin, let's begin. Friendship grows wherever it goes. Work and career. Work to earn, live and learn. 9 to 5, stay alive. Do your job, join the mob. Meeting time, everything's fine. Coffee break, stay awake. End of day, time to play. Deadline near, no need to fear. Teamwork, dreamwork, no quirk. Learning and education. Read and write every night. Study hard, play your card. Learn new things, see what it brings. Books and pens now and thens. Pass the test, do your best. Knowledge grows wherever it goes. School is cool, golden rule. Ask and learn, it's your turn. Health and wellness. Eat your greens, stay in your teens. Exercise more, don't ignore. Sleep at night, wake up bright. Drink your water, you really ought to. Feeling sick, get well quick. Stay in shape, don't escape. Healthy mind, one of a kind. Rest and heal, that's the deal. Travel and adventure. Hit the road, lighten your load. Pack your bag, don't lag. Catch the train, sun or rain. Fly so high in the sky. See the world, flag unfurled. Adventure waits at the gates. Journey far, be a star. Explore and roam, then come home. Money and shopping. Save your money, make it sunny. Spend it wise, that's the prize. Shopping spree, wild and free. Check the price, look twice. Cash or card, not too hard. Buy and sell, all is well. Good deal steal how you feel. Nature and outdoors. Trees and breeze put you at ease. Mountains high touch the sky. Rivers flow where they go. Birds that sing on the wing. Flowers bloom end the gloom. Stars at night shining bright. Problem solving. Find a way every day. Fix the mess, nothing less. Sort it out, don't shout. Make it right day and night. Solve the case, win the race. Clear your mind, answers you'll find. Communication. Listen well, you can tell. Speak your mind, be kind. Say hello, let it flow. Call or write, day or night. Message sent, time well spent. Tell the truth from your youth. Personal qualities. Be polite day and night. Stay humble, never stumble. Keep it real, that's the deal. Show respect, don't neglect. Always kind to all mankind. Be yourself, nothing else. Celebrations. Birthday cake, memories make. Party night, pure delight. Celebrate in style all the while. Raise a toast from coast to coast. Dance and cheer throughout the year. Good times roll, heart and soul. Technology. Check your phone when you're alone. Type and send, message friend. Connect online, you'll be fine. Internet speed, all you need. Social media feed, take the lead. Digital life, reduced strife. Success and achievement. Reach your goal, take control. Win the prize, open your eyes. Celebrate success, nothing less. Dreams come true for me and you. Victory sweet, hard to beat. Champion strong all along. Fantastic work today. You've practiced 99 rhyming phrases. Rhymes help you remember easily. Keep practicing every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.